Hi all, this is Shruti again, and today I came here to make a request to all of you. Please stay away from social media for the time being because it's full of negativity. I'm not telling you to avoid watching news channels, I'm not telling you to avoid reading newspaper, but please do it in a better way because mm, is even I can't watch the news what's coming. I know it's the fact and maybe it's real, and okay, fine, it's real, but we all are not similar. Our mental state is always not similar. We don't have the similar attitude towards towards anything, towards everything, and we don't have the same willpower. So if at all morally we are not that strong, or if we are not having this strong mental state, it can impact our mental health. And this is happening. We are getting news. I'm in hospital sector, and we are getting news that people are badly affecting with this news, and such news are creating so many mental disorders, heart attacks even. So please take care of your loved ones and be positive. Just a tough time, but it will go off. Don't worry. Stay alert. Stay indoor as much as possible. If at all you're going out, please follow all the safety measures. That's very important. Eat healthy. Do your indoor workout. Do some yoga. Do some meditation. Try to keep yourself busy. If you're working from home, also please try to create a balance between your personal and professional life, and especially please take care of your kids, take care of your old parents, and take care of pregnant ladies because these are always coming under this vulnerable group, and those people are more prone for any infection. Eat healthy definitely is my path because I'm a dietitian. Eat locally available food, eat homemade food. Please, if you're a junk food eater, if you're really busy and you're totally relying on outside food, please give a whole, try to cook your food by your own self. See, food is not the career, food can't be the career for corona, but how they're handling, how the a person who is bringing food to you, and so many other people are involved. So we have to try to restrict those things. Now we have to go for something there, the people who are involved, them personally. Actually, that's very important. So please try to cook your food, try to cook your food fresh. At least if you're cooking something for breakfast, try to finish till lunch, don't keep for the dinner. And locally available foods are much better because those are not crossing the boundaries, and at the same time local recipes, those are more healthy, and genetically they will suit us. So please ask your mom, your grandmother about such recipes, and try to focus on that. Try to be hydrated, that's very important. Summer is picking up, so try to be hydrated, and believe me, water is the best. Please prefer warm water, or at least water should be on room temperature, at least 40 degrees centigrade. It's very important because our body temperature is around 37, so water should be around 40-degree. You can add some basil leaves, some mint, some cumin, some methi, whatever you feel in your water to give some texture or some different flavor. But water is the best. And you can have some homemade soups, you can have some homemade sharbats, but definitely not cold water. It should be warm water or hot water. And eat fruits, eat nuts, eat seeds. See, immunity won't come in within one day, and if we don't have any miracle food or recipe that'll give you immunity. It should be like your overall diet is behind that. And we all have some acquired immunity, but kids below 5, their immunity is not that good actually, because after 5 only they get the proper immunity. So please take care of them, and try to keep them indoor as much as possible. If you're keeping them out, if you're taking them out, please take care of your kids. Try to let them wear a mask, and let them not to pass any through any crowded place. And so many things are there, but we have to take care of ourselves, because if we are the carrier, if we are getting infected with this disease, we can infect so many other people sometime in indirect way. So this is a serious situation. We all have to think together, and we have to do our bit, and we have to work together. We have to be very much united, but we have to be very positive. So please stay away from social media for the time being, and if you're watching social media, be very selective, and take care, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.